Today, I'd like to take a moment and share with you how you can make sure that your virus protection is in order. So what we'll do is we'll start by going to that bottom left-hand corner, the icon for the Windows, and you'll left-click with the mouse on that left button. You'll go up two icons. The first one was the power. The second icon is that gear, which is for settings, and you'll select it again with that left-click on the mouse. That'll pull up your Windows settings here, and at the bottom, your update and security. You may need to cursor down. There's a little sidebar that would appear if your box isn't showing everything. And the reason it wouldn't is if the box is smaller. You see how I just made that smaller by grabbing the corner? And therefore you would then have to grab this sidebar to come down and grab update and security. What I do to avoid that is I grab the corner. You see where the mouse turns into a little arrow, double-ended arrow, and then by clicking the left mouse, holding it down and dragging, it makes the box big enough to show everything. Little side note. So by double-clicking on the update and security, I now can come down here on the left-hand side where we click on Windows Security. When that loads, you'll notice that there's a yellow caution symbol here, green, green, green all the way through. So all those greens tell me that those are all in good shape. Those are all great. This yellow tells me it's something just to check out. So when I open that, it's going to tell me that there's no current threats, that I was scanned it today and nothing was found, no problems, no concerns. Took about 1 minute and 10 seconds to do a quick scan. And so everything's looking good, no action needed here. The last time I had updates in terms of what they call the definitions for viruses was today, so that's all up to date. What was yellow is this ransomware. Perhaps you've heard of ransomware. That's when someone gets on your computer, they lock up your data, and they offer to give you back your data, give you access to your data, if you pay them money. And so what ransomware protection is by setting up a cloud service, and there's all kinds of different cloud services. There's Microsoft has one which is called OneDrive, that's listed here. Google has one. Apple has one, of course. So there's all kinds of different cloud services that you could back up your data to. But the point is, if you have your data backed up in the cloud, then the bad guys who are trying to get you to pay to get your data back, you can just say, no thank you, see you later. And then you can just do a fresh install, clean things out, and then drag your data back from the cloud, which they did not have access to. So that's a nice little detail. So I would encourage you to go ahead and set up OneDrive or some other cloud backup so that your data is not only on your local computer, but out in the cloud. And for extra protection, I'd even encourage a backup drive of some sort, whether it be a thumb drive or an external drive. So you've got it physically off of your computer, and you also have it physically away from your house. That would also take care of you in case of a fire or something like that. So coming back here one level, that's that back arrow, and another level. Everything looks good, except here they want me to do that OneDrive, and they have it stated here that that's what they're hoping I will do. So that's a quick way to check for your viruses and make sure that that's all in order. And may you have a wonderful evening. Thanks so much.